Acting on a tip-off, a team of Thoubal police station seized arms and ammunition during a search operation near a hand pump at Khoirom Laijing under Yairipok police station this morning. As per a report from police, a combined team of police including Special Operation Group, Thoubal led by additional SP Operations, Thoubal District Police, 33AR, OC Thoubal Commando and personnel of Yairipok Police Station began the operation around 4 this morning. The combined team recovered one SLR bearing registration number AA2957, 7 magazines, one anti-riot gun bearing registration number 2K18-26093, and one 36HE hand grenade around 5:40 a.m. The operation continued till 6:30, the report said. The seized items have been handed over to Yairipok Police Station for further legal proceedings.